Karon mga higlaan, ipadayon nato ang atong sugilanon nga gisulat ni Iking Gutierez, Kaluy-a Day Ang Nagbitay. Apan pinangga, unsa may gusto nimo akong buhaton? Tanawa siya ayaw. Hikapa siya ayaw. Pasag di ang ginamos nga maglunang sa kagalingon niyang una. When no one else can understand me, when everything I do is wrong, you give me love and consolation. You give me hope to carry on, and you try to show your love for me in everything you do. That's no wonder of you. And when you smile, the world is brighter. You touch my hand and I'm a king. Your kiss to me is worth a fortune. Your love to me is everything. And you're always there to lend a hand in all I try to do. That's the wonder of you. You'll never know how much I love you. My life is yours and yours alone. I guess I'll never know the reason why you love me as you do. That's the one.